Well, happy Friday, everybody. Jim Hanson here, Academy Mortgage. So, you know my motto, mortgage, real estate, and life. So I'm doing a life thing today on Friday, and it's about giving blood. So back in 1995, I started giving blood, and I'm up to like 117 donations. Took a little break from it in 2009 for some medical reasons, but anyway, it's a super cool thing to do. The Vitalent Blood Center is right here on Laguna Springs Drive in Elk Grove. That's where I give every 8 weeks, and I make it an appointment. When I'm done, I already have my appointment scheduled for July 7th, so that's pretty cool. It's good to give. So I'm gonna do a little shot here. I can't get any patients in here. I'm just gonna do a little shot around here. And these people we're saving lives. Saving lives. I get a little text in about a few days. It says where my donation was used, and it's super cool. So if you can give. It's a super awesome way to, again, save lives. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402. JimHanson.net on the web, and make it a super awesome weekend. Thanks a bunch. Bye.